Welcome to another insightful episode in our series. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today, we'll be delving into a critical concept that powers the operations of maintenance and reliability teams, the bill of materials. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what a bill of materials is, what it includes, who uses it, and how it impacts various roles within an organization. So let's unravel the significance of bill of materials. So, what is a bill of materials? Well, it's essentially a detailed list of all the parts and their respective quantities required to put together an end product. Think of it this way. Just like your favorite dishes are defined by a recipe that lists out the ingredients in their exact proportions, the breakdown of any equipment into its most basic parts and materials can be listed out through a bill of materials. Now, the bill of materials of equipment can serve different purposes depending on who's using it. For instance, a manufacturer may use a bill of materials to schedule production timelines and determine raw material requirements. An engineer might use a version of the bill of materials to review the design of equipment and identify possible alternative parts. And maintenance personnel? They can use an equipment bill of materials to identify parts that may require maintenance and keep track of inventory to perform such operations. Imagine going to the kitchen to prepare a dish without a recipe on hand. You'd find yourself scrambling for each ingredient every time the need arises. Worse, you might even be surprised to realize that your shelves don't have the spices you need. A similar mess can be expected when performing maintenance work without any idea of what parts the equipment consists of and what materials and spare parts you actually have on hand. So, what does a typical bill of materials include? It has all the basics you need to precisely identify the specific parts of a piece of equipment. Part number, part name, description, quantity, unit of measure, weight, dimensions, and other specifications of the part. This extensive list usually appears in a hierarchy denoting any assemblies or sub-assemblies that may comprise the equipment. Some types of bill of materials, particularly ones used in engineering, may contain more detail on the design and manufacturing processes that go into the equipment's construction. Now, who uses a bill of materials? Well, an equipment's bill of materials can enable the maintenance planner to perform their job more effectively and efficiently. By having a clear picture of which parts of the equipment need serviced, the maintenance planner can accurately check the readiness of the team to carry out tasks considering the availability of parts. When properly updated in a CMMS, the speed and accuracy of using a bill of materials increases dramatically. The planner is able to quickly locate the correct parts or accurately gather purchasing data to prepare for the procurement of required parts. The exact specifications and design criteria that are needed are more easily obtained with greater accuracy. And it doesn't stop there. To take a more proactive approach to managing maintenance activities, the planner can order parts required for future maintenance activities or order critical spares in advance to ensure that they are available. The early detection of spare parts that are going obsolete can also help the planner anticipate changes in the requirements and plan accordingly. The suitability of replacements, if any, can then be reviewed and confirmed ahead of time. Let's look at an example. A 2004 article in the Journal of Air Transport Management explored how bill of materials are utilized by the aircraft industry in terms of aircraft maintenance and inventory control. It was found that accurately updating the bill of materials was closely related to carrying out successful materials requirement planning processes. For aircraft maintenance, particularly for rotables repair, a multi-level bill of materials was determined to be effective. This process improved inventory and cost of repairs while enabling the collection of information from maintenance procedures for review and analysis. So, to wrap it up, utilizing the equipment's bill of materials not only provides a way to perform maintenance tasks accurately, but also enables maintenance personnel to collect data on parts that are being serviced. When coupled with a robust CMMS program, a bill of materials becomes an invaluable tool for maintenance planners and maintenance personnel to carry out tasks efficiently. And that brings us to the end of this video. We've explored the bill of materials, its uses, and its importance to different roles within an organization. Remember, a well-managed bill of materials can dramatically increase the efficiency of your maintenance and operations teams. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and stay updated with our latest content. To learn more about how Upkeep can help your team, visit us at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.